This video introduces how to configure Ethernet ring protection switching, ERPS, on RG-NBS series switches via eWeb. ERPS is a link layer protocol specially designed for Ethernet rings to meet ISP-grade network requirements with a convergence time of less than 50 milliseconds. When an Ethernet ring network is complete, ERPS blocks the ring protection link to prevent broadcast storms caused by data loops. When a link is disconnected on the Ethernet ring network, ERPS unblocks the RPL and performs link switching rapidly to recover communication between nodes on the ring network and implement data redundancy and backup on the links. Major ring, it is a closed ring in a topology. Subring, it is a non-closed ring attached to a major ring in a topology. Each device is a node, and at most 2 ports of one node can be added to the same ERPS ring. Major rings, subrings, and nodes can form various basic topologies depending on their connection modes. Single ring, only one ring exists in a topology. Tangent ring, in this topology, 2 ERPS rings share one device. For example, major ring ERPS2 and major ring ERPS3 are tangent to each other on node 7. Intersecting ring, 2 ERPS rings share 2 devices in a topology. For example, major ring ERPS4 and subring ERPS5 intersect at node 13 and node 12. ERPS is supported by the RG-NBS series running different versions, as follows. Virtual cluster switching and ERPS are mutually exclusive and cannot be configured simultaneously. After spanning tree protocol is enabled on a device, the ERPS configuration cannot take effect normally. To prevent loops, configure ERPS before performing cable connections. As a Layer 2 protocol, ERPS cannot use aggregate or routed interfaces as ERPS ports. Enter the IP address of the device in the address bar of a browser to open the login page. Enter the password and click Login to enter the homepage of eWeb. For details about the login steps, watch the video How to Log into eWeb of a RE device. Configure access ports of each node on an ERPS major ring on the network-wide or device configuration page. The network-wide page is used as an example. Choose network-wide, workspace, wired ERPS ring to access the ERPS ring configuration page. Click Add on the page to add an ERPS ring. Configure ring parameters on the page. Enter the ID. Set control VLAN which ranges from 1 to 4094. The VLAN is used to transmit ERPS packets. Expand advanced settings. The parameters are set with default values, which can be modified as required. WTR timer indicates the duration of the wait to restore timer. The timer applies only to the RPL owner node and is used to prevent the node from misjudging the ring network status. Guard timer indicates the duration of the guard timer. This timer is used to prevent a device from receiving expired ERPS packets. Hold off timer indicates the duration of the hold off timer. This timer is used to prevent continuous ERPS link switching caused by intermittent link failures. A larger MEL level value indicates a higher priority. Devices on the same ERPS ring must have the same MEL level value. After revertive mode is toggled on, the blocked link is automatically switched back to the RPL after the link failure is rectified. You are advised to enable this feature. After setting the ring parameters, click Next. Configure ports on the page. Select switches from the left topology to form an ERPS ring. Select 2 optical ports of each switch on the right panel. According to the plan, configure one optical port as RPL owner and the other optical ports as normal. After the port configuration is completed, click Next. Confirm ERPS configuration on the page and then click Save. Access ports of nodes on the ERPS subring can be configured on either the network-wide or device configuration page. Access ports of intersecting nodes can only be configured on the device configuration page. The configuration procedure for the nodes, rather than intersecting nodes, on the ERPS subring is similar to that on the ERPS major ring. The device configuration page is used as an example to describe the ERPS subring configuration. Choose Network-wide, Devices, Switch. Click the icon of the device to be configured, and choose Config, Advanced, ERPS. Click Add to open the configuration page. Enter the ID. Specify a control VLAN, which is used to transmit ERPS packets. Select a node type. For a node rather than the intersecting node, select major ring. For an intersecting node, select sub-ring. When type is set to major ring, set west port/roll and east port/roll. Sub-ring VLAN does not need to be set. When type is set to sub-ring, set channel mode. When channel mode is set to virtual channel, ERPS packets on the sub-ring are transmitted to the major ring through interconnecting nodes. When channel mode is set to non-virtual channel, ERPS packets on the subring will be terminated on intersecting nodes. Set east port/roll. Set major ring ID. Expand advanced settings. The parameters are configured with default values, which are the same as those configured for the ERPS major ring on the network-wide page. After configuration, click OK. After ERPS is configured, connect ports of the switches using optical cables. The example shows how to connect cables for an ERPS major ring on the network-wide page. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the RG-NBS official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.